Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add mileage on TurboTax. First, gather all your mileage records and expense details before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and accurate entry process. You'll need total miles driven for business, commuting, and other personal use. Having these figures ready saves time and prevents errors later on. TurboTax guides you through each step, making it straightforward to claim your deductions. Once you're in TurboTax, head to the Deductions and Credits section. Look for the Car and Truck Expenses or Business Expenses area, depending on your specific tax situation. Here, you will enter your total business miles, along with any other relevant vehicle information like the date the vehicle was placed in service. Be sure to accurately input all requested data to maximize your potential deductions. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music or setting reminders while you organize your tax documents. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After entering your mileage, TurboTax automatically calculates your deduction using the standard mileage rates. Take a moment to carefully review the summary provided to ensure all the information you entered is correct. Double-check your business miles and any other related expenses. Confirming accuracy now helps prevent issues later and ensures you receive the correct tax benefit for your vehicle use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.